Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to use Apple Intelligence to give you a summary of a paragraph. So for example, here I've got a paragraph which I've pasted in my Notes app and I want to get a summary from Apple Intelligence. So I don't want to read it, I just want to get a summary. So to do this, you can go ahead and highlight the paragraph. Now once you've done that, go ahead and tap on Writing Tools. Now from here, you're going to go ahead and choose Summary from the bottom. Now once you do this, this will give you a summary of what exactly that paragraph is about. So you can copy it, you can replace it, or you can share it with your friends. So there you go guys, that is how to use Apple Intelligence to give you a summary of a paragraph. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.